Does anybody know about birds? This is a serious video here because this fucking bird, now that I put the camera on, that's all this guy does. Back and forth from that tree, and that noise is driving me crazy. Now, I don't know if that's a mating call or he wants to attack me. That's all. You hear it? Back and forth. What is this, a Hitchcock movie? What's going on? Is that a blackbird? Is that a crow? Does anybody know? Help me out here, Hendry. I'd help you out. Let's do, I'm gonna be quiet now so you can listen to what it sounds like. Maybe, hold on. It's like clockwork. He'll be back. You hear him? Yeah. Fucking annoying, man. Hey. Anybody? Beulah?